pa, ito? Ah, blue pala yan.
Alabas siya sa purple.
Blue pala to, purple.
Pwedeng wala kang tube doon.
Walang tube dyan sa
Wala
maliliit.
talaga. Dito sa dalawa walang tube.
Ah.
Ito makita. Lumabas sa tube. Ano yun? Sigaw na sigaw. Ika na, be. Marunong na pala lumangoy ito, no? Kas, marunong ka na pala talagang lumangoy, ano? Okay, you wanna go green? Go. We'll be here. Okay. Be careful, ha? No rushing. Text ng text, text ng text. Parang ano?
Ha? Diyan tayo?
No? Dito?
Bakit?
Sa bucket, yeah. Later sa bucket tayo.
Yun na. Mayang bakit.
Which is the best? Green is the best? Yeah?
Yeah, I'm going to green again.
Okay, green uli. She wants to go green again.
Okay, sundan mo. Tingnan ko sa akin. Gusto ko kung gusto niya.
Hindi, hayaan mo kung gusto yan, pupunta yan. Magpapahinga pa siguro. Mamaya yan.
Saan siya? Susunod ako sa kanya.
Marcos?
Tayo dito.
Yeah. Magsa-slide ka rin? Okay. That is super slow. That is super slow. Green? Where is Daddy? He's super fast all the time.
Down to the green?
Bakit pag ikaw ang bilis-bilis? Pag ikaw ang bilis-bilis.
Do you wanna do orange with me?
Orange
Not
with
that
you?
bad.
Is that covered? I'm super scared.
No, some of it is covered. Oh, that can hold it. Okay, let's
No, let's go here. Let's go here in the bucket. Let's go in the bucket first. Let's go.
No, the bucket's not fun.
It's fine. We're gonna go back.
Dito, dito. Bakit first?
We go in the bucket and then we go back here.
What bucket?
Huh?
What bucket?
The bucket of water.
Wait, I got an idea.
Mabasa tayo lang.
There you go. Be careful, ah. Ang kuya mo nakaupo pa rin doon. Here's the bucket. So, it's filling up with water dun sa taas. It is, isn't it? What? So Daddy's going on. What's inside? Huh?
Let's do the orange.
Wait lang. How long will that take?
I don't know, Mom. Probably like 10 minutes.
Huh?
Probably 10 minutes.
10 minutes?
Yeah, or 5.
Will it fall?
Huh?
Dun ka, you're gonna be my no? I think matagal yan bago bumagsak.
Let's do
Kasi,
orange. Okay, Mom. Let's go.
I don't wanna do orange, no.
Yeah, it's fine. It's mostly out.
What out?
It's mostly out like doors. It's not mostly covered. Okay, give
I
me.
don't like covered.
It's not covered. Most of it is not covered.
I am scared. Oh.
Mom.
Dali na lang. Why do you always want
Because
me?
you never do this.
It's fine. It's okay.
No, Mom.
No.
Not okay.
You can do it yourself. You don't need me. Look at your dad. Orange. Is it good? Dad, mag-aantay ka dyan? Antayin mo?
Saan ka?
I'm hungry.
Ha?